Hello everyone, I'm Hong. Welcome back to the channel and another one of my onboard videos. This was my 4th ever outing on a motorcycle track day and the 2nd time riding my BMW S1000RR on Sepang Circuit. Some quick details before we hop on board. I'm running on race mode, no longer in dynamic mode after graduating up from Group C to Group B, but I didn't think I was quite ready to switch over to Race Pro just yet, mainly because I felt that some of my fundamentals aren't strong enough, namely body positioning and braking zones for a few key corners. Aside from the new Brembo Z04 racing brake pads I had, along with the ultra sticky, super soft compound Pirelli Diablo Super Corsa V4 SC1 semi-slick tires, the bike is completely stock. Still haven't fully maximized the braking performance from these Z04 brake pads, as I believe I'm still braking a tad too early, especially for turns 1, 4, 9 and 15. With regards to these Pirelli Diablo Super Corsa V4 SC1s, they are absolutely phenomenal, offering copious amounts of grip and traction. They do, however, require 1 or 2 slower laps to be brought up to temperature. For future track days, I will most likely be investing in a good set of tire warmers, just so I don't waste time and rubber on warm-up laps, as well as to improve their longevity by reducing degradation caused by repeated heat cycles. This onboard video was filmed on the second last stint of the second day after completing 4 stints during the morning session, 2 stints during the afternoon session, and a total of 7 stints on the previous day. So as you can imagine, I was exhausted. Nevertheless, we had amazing weather all weekend, and since the track cleared out for a fair bit, I took the opportunity to push myself a little more. As always, please feel free to comment in the comments section if you have any advice, tips, and/or any constructive criticism that may help me improve as a rider.